Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Easy Craft with Jyoti. I hope you all are amazing and I am amazing too. So today's video is going to be a very quick tutorial about paper rose. So make sure that you watch this video till the end and without any further delay, let's get started. This is all about today's video and I hope you enjoyed watching this video or I helped you through this video. So if you like this video, so give a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Or if you are new to this channel, so please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon which is next to the subscribe button. I'll meet you very soon with the next interesting topic. Until, take care and keep learning. Bye bye.